At Apstra, we focus on next-gen infrastructure automation and have pioneered a new approach to automation called intent-based networking. The trend we see in infrastructure automation is that customers are becoming aware with the advent of cloud that the most important layer is really the software layer. It's a layer that abstracts out infrastructure and delivers it as a set of APIs for the application to consume. People have been talking about automation for a very long time, but mostly when people talk about automation, they mean configuration management. They mean day zero automation, essentially pushing configurations on day zero onto devices. That's a very limited view of automation. Automation, for it to make a difference, needs to encompass the entire life cycle of infrastructure services. Day zero, day one, day two plus. It needs to be centered around a single source of truth, a representation of your infrastructure, all of the state of the infrastructure, and how it relates to the desired outcomes, this notion of intent. At Apstra, we have pioneered intent-based networking. Think of intent-based networking as powerful automation and abstraction of your network infrastructure services. What we mean by services are connectivity services, L2 or L3, security, compliance, performance, could be latency or bandwidth. See, when infrastructure and engineers or businesses deploy infrastructure, it's to deliver those types of services. And with Apstra, we've built software that powerfully automates the delivery of those services. And it's done in a pure software, with a pure software approach that works across vendors, across different hardware vendors, across workloads, and across domains. Customers that have deployed intent-based networking with Apstra have seen tremendous benefits, starting with a reduction in costs. If you think of the number of man-hours that are required to deliver on a specific service, our customers have seen an 83% reduction with Apstra of delivering those services. Also, if you think of reliability, a good measure is mean time to repair. If you have an issue, how long does it take you to repair it? Customers have seen a 70% reduction in that mean time to repair. And finally, and maybe most importantly, business agility. Setting up a new virtual network across workloads, that's a task that took an infrastructure team perhaps a week or maybe multiple weeks. Today, with software such as with Apstra, it takes a few seconds, if not a minute.